Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off notification on Subway surfers. So let's get started. Begin by launching your settings on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in apps and perform your search. Now tap on apps. Then select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Subway surfers and perform your search. Tap on it. Now tap on Notifications option and then disable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn off notification on Subway surfers. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.